So today our practical section is going to be on shawarma. You all love shawarma, everybody loves shawarma. Actually, shawarma, the term shawarma is a Turkish name meaning turning. So if you go to the shawarma store, you see that they arrange all the protein in or on a rod. So as it turns, that is what derived the name shawarma, which means turning. So we're going to do the shawarma from scratch. We are doing the pita bread, which is the shawarma bread, the filling, which include cabbage, carrots, onion, bell peppers, and then protein. We're going to use beef, chicken, sausage, eggs because of the variation. All right, we have inculcated a lot of variation in the preparation of shawarma. So we're going to teach that today. And then we teach them how to wrap it and even how to brand it for the market. So stick with me and roll with me. Are we ready? Yes. All right, so let's go. Shawarma basically is a Turkish name. It's a Turkish name which means turning. It means turning. So proteins or beef is stacked on a vertical skid. So you see when you go to the store, you see that there's a rod, it's metal. And they've stacked beef, chicken and all that on it. And they roast it. So that turning, that derived the name shawarma. So shawarma simply means what? Turning in Turkish word. All right? Everybody loves shawarma. It's now a global snack. Do we call it snack? It's snacky. Okay, it's snacky. So I can say it's snack. All right? Okay, so let's zoom quickly into the recipe today. Are we ready? Yes. All right, so let's start. We missed what? We missed what? Salt, okay. And then sugar. All right. So we rolled it into smaller. After kneading, you divide it into 5 because it has to be small, because we need to roll it into very flat size. Okay. This filling has boiled egg, chicken, beef,